today. We are gonna be doing the siding repair. This piece came off with the wind, so we're gonna put it back and I'm gonna show you how to do that. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna lock this piece in place. Make sure you put a little pressure on it, hold it before you nail it. I had to find the studs before I started doing the repair. So put a little mark on the bottom of the siding just to make sure that that's gonna be my guide to know exactly where the stud is so I can nail it on the stud. Before I nail it, I have to put a little pressure on it so it doesn't come down. Here I have another mark. The studs are every 16 inches, so I have another mark right here. This makes it a lot easier to make sure that you nail on the studs. If not, the siding is gonna keep coming off. You can feel it when you don't hit the stud. You can feel it. So measure another 16 inches so I know exactly where the other stud is. Make a little mark. It's cold out here. All right, now I'm gonna move the ladder so I can nail the last one over there. I'm gonna measure another 16 inches from the last nail. Put a mark there. Put my last nail here on this piece. So now the piece that came off is nailed down now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lock these pieces. To do that, we need this tool. Let me bring it closer to the camera so you can see it. So we need this tool. So basically what you do is you put this under the siding and then you pull with this part right here, you pull down on the siding so you can lock it in place. So we're gonna start from here. So what you do is you basically lock this in place and then you pull with the tool and you push the siding so it locks in place. And you continue to do the same thing until the entire piece is locked in place. And that's basically how you do a siding repair. If you enjoyed that video, follow for more.